Hi everyone, it's Kelly. Summerhill Village. In a brand new home, giving everybody a live video tour. We can call this a sneak peek of our open house that's happening tomorrow, Saturday, November 11th, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. I'm going to be here. We have 5 different beautiful homes that are going to be open to tour. Five different models. We have a home for the holidays for each and every one of you watching. I would say each one of you would say, hey, don't you deserve a brand new house? We have homes for every budget. We have an awesome community that we're making like brand new. Summerhill Village has been here a long time. Our owners are redeveloping this entire community and making it new. Real quick, I want to point out here, this is the mudroom with a full-size washer and dryer area. Dryer can be gas or electric. This is where you come in the back door. Let me turn around so you can kind of see coming in. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, brand new, full of upgrades. The cabinets are upgraded. Everything about this house is upgraded. Double pane thermal windows. All the blinds and curtains come with it. All the appliances. These homes are quality built Clayton homes. They're E-built homes as well. And that E is for energy efficiency. So I'm going to take you in the living room here. The nice thing here is you have 2 ways in the home. You do have an entrance here. This is actually the front door, but most of our owners use the back door at the mudroom. You can kick off your shoes, and you can say no shoes beyond this point. I've seen a lot of big screen TVs on this wall. Ceiling fan comes with the home as well, is this Ecobee Smart Thermostat. That is really big and helpful for saving on your utility bills. You can control it from your cell phone. So if you're not home, you can make your house cooler. And 10 minutes before you get home, you can make it warmer. Now this particular home, I have to show you the primary bathroom. Look at the size. Everything new. Walk-in shower. And let me turn around here so you can see this. Extra storage. We want you to get a new home for the holidays. So we're making it easy for you. Brand new homes. Awesome community. 5 minutes from town. Energy efficient. Walk-in closets. We have in-house financing. If you need it, they consider all credit. The holiday special, we have reduced the down payment. You don't need to have excellent credit, and you don't have to have a lot of money to get into one of our homes. So you could move in November and get December free. There's no application fee and low monthly payments. So this is bedroom 2, and I hope you can tell the size. It's a great size. And another walk-in closet. And if you have the kiddos on this end of the house, the great thing is they have their own bathroom. I'll show you that. But it's away from the primary bedroom. And then I'm going to show you the 3rd bedroom. But check out the 1-stall shower combo. Easy cleanup and no maintenance. So back to our deal, our special. A new home for the holidays. I'm sure most of you watching, maybe you need a home for the holidays. We'll have 5 different homes open tomorrow. Come by. Check out our brand new clubhouse that all of our residents get to use for no charge. Grab a map, grab a snack. Get out and look at these homes. Choose one for you. And if you're not looking right now, it's okay, because we're doing a complete redevelopment of this community, as I mentioned, and we have phase 3 to fill this summer. If you know somebody who's looking, send them my way. My number is 989-560-0785. Our website is fourleafprop.com. There you can see all of our homes available. You can see pictures, you can watch live videos, but why not come out and check these homes out for yourself? Yes to a dishwasher. Yes to a microwave. So again, our website is fourleafprop.com. My name's Kelly. My number's 989-560-0785. Call or text me if you have any questions. We're pet friendly. We have a dog park. The dogs can meet their neighbor friends and run around free in the dog park. Plus, we have tons of walking area. We're 5 minutes from town, yet surrounded by nature. You'll see a ton of deer out here. You want to drive slow. So thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned because I'm going to video another home tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll be here, 11 to 3. I hope to see everyone here. Thanks for watching.